If you're growing out your silver hair and you notice that your silver is starting to turn yellow, watch this video and I'll show you what to do. Hi, I'm Lynn and I inspire women to go naturally silver. So you finally did it. You made the difficult decision to ditch the dye. You've taken the plunge and you've been growing out your natural silver hair and you're thinking, yes, no more maintenance, I'm finally free. Well, I do need to break something to you, and that's that there is one maintenance step in your silver hair journey that you may want to include in your routine, and that's the use of purple shampoo. Silver hair can take on unwanted yellow tones for a variety of reasons due to sun exposure, heat styling tools, and environmental elements. These can include things like pollution, hard water, chlorine, and the best way to counteract that yellowing occurring in your hair is with purple, and here's why. So why purple? Why are we putting purple on our hair when we want it to be silver? Well, it comes down to basic color theory. Remember the color wheel from elementary school art class? Opposite colors on the color wheel cancel each other out. So look what color is opposite yellow on the color wheel. That's right, it's purple. So purple is actually going to cancel out those yellow tones that are occurring in your hair. Purple shampoo is a simple way to infuse violet pigments into your hair to tone your silver and cancel the yellow. So basically it acts as a toner, and if you've ever had a toner put on your hair, you know that it's not permanent. It will wash out after several shampoos. So it's not permanent, but it's a good part of a silver hair maintenance routine. No different than using a deep conditioning mask or hair oil or anything else that you do to maintain the health of your hair. So silver hair does have some maintenance. It's not completely maintenance-free, but if you compare that to booking appointments every few weeks at a salon or using messy hair dyes at home, you will find that purple shampoo is one of the easiest ways to maintain your hair color. Now, no hair color is without maintenance, but I find that silver hair has been the easiest color I have ever had to maintain. And I can tell you right now that when I use purple shampoo, my silver hair is vibrant, it is bright. So how do you use purple shampoo? Well, you can just simply wash your hair with it. That's what I do. You can also leave it on for a little while, maybe about 15 minutes or so, just to maybe increase the effect. The only thing I would caution you about is if you leave it on longer than 15 minutes, you may notice a purplish tinge in your silver hair. Again, it's not a hair dye, it's not permanent, it will wash out. Just be mindful of that if that's not the look you're going for. You can also apply it to your hair when your hair is dry, and that way it may actually have more of a brightening effect to it. The bottom line is when you first start using purple shampoo, you are going to have to play around with it a little bit. It's a little bit of trial and error to see how long you might want to leave it on your hair and how your hair reacts to it. One of the things that I've noticed since I started using purple shampoo is that if I skip using it for a while, I don't realize how yellow my hair has become until I use it again. Then I pass by a mirror and I'm like, wow, that's really bright. So it really does make a difference. And it's one of those things that you don't know that you needed it until you know that you need it. So again, generally speaking, purple shampoo will not turn your hair purple, unless you leave it on for an extended period of time, maybe 30 minutes or so. And like I mentioned before, that's where you may see a little bit of a purplish tinge to your hair in certain lighting. But I can assure you, once again, that it is not a permanent hair dye and it will wash out. So don't be afraid of it. It's not a hair dye. It's not even like one of those color depositing conditioners. Purple shampoo can be very drying to the hair. It can be very harsh. And this is really why I only recommend that you use it once a week and follow it up with a good deep conditioner. Different brands have different levels of harshness. So if you're interested, you can leave a comment below and I can make another video about which brands I like. I have also noticed with some brands that they stain my hands, so you may want to wear gloves if you are using one of those harsher brands. Some brands have stained my shower. So you do really want to kind of trial and error and see which purple shampoo works for you best. And just in case you were wondering, It's purple. It's purple. So I'm a salt and pepper silver sister. I don't have a whole head of white hair or gray hair. And actually I was told for many years by different hairstylists that I don't even have enough gray to go gray. But what I have found is that when I've added purple shampoo to my hair maintenance routine, it actually does make my silver hair pop. It makes what silver I do have extremely vibrant and bright. And so if you look, I don't have a lot of silver compared to a lot of people, but I have enough for me. So if you've been growing out your silver hair and you haven't tried purple shampoo yet, I would really encourage you to give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you have been using purple shampoo, also let me know which brands you like and why. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe.